In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move space to another workspace in ClickUp. If you've ever needed to shift the structure of a space from one workspace to another, the most reliable method is to turn that space into a template. ClickUp doesn't let you drag a space across workspaces directly, so templating preserves the layout, statuses, views, and other configuration you've set up, and makes it easy to recreate on the other side. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to your Spaces area. Find the space you want to move. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct one, especially if you manage several spaces with similar names. It's a good idea to check the folders and lists inside so you know exactly what you're templating. Open the space options by clicking the three-dot menu next to the space name. This opens the space-level actions. From here, choose Templates. You'll see different template options for this space. What we want is to save the current configuration so we can use it elsewhere. Click Save as Template. You'll be prompted to name your template. Choose something clear and searchable, including a short description if available. For example, include the originating workspace or a date so you can tell versions apart later. A precise name now saves confusion when your template library grows. Before saving, look for the public toggle and turn it on. Making a template public means it's available to your team within ClickUp, which is exactly what you want when the goal is to reuse the space setup elsewhere. If you leave it off, only you will be able to see and apply it. If your organization has specific sharing rules, follow those, but in most cases, public is the simplest way to ensure the template is accessible when you switch workspaces. Now click Save Template. ClickUp will process the space and save it to your template library. Larger spaces can take a bit longer. That's normal. When it's finished, you'll have a reusable space template that mirrors your structure. This approach is great for standardizing how you work across different teams, or when you're consolidating processes into a new workspace. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. You may need appropriate permissions to save a space as a template. If you don't see the option, check with your workspace admin. Also remember that templates focus on structure and settings. Depending on your account settings, not all historical data or task content may be included. Keep the original space in place until you've recreated and reviewed it in the destination workspace. And that's it. You've prepared your space to be moved by saving it as a template, ready to be applied in another workspace.